Hi, this is XIA DAI. My project is about MSI in sports management, which is based on the baseball player performance analysis. Baseball is a bat and ball game played between two teams of 9 players each, who take turns batting and fielding. It is a game that combines with teamwork and highly confrontational. It is especially prevalent in United States and is known as the national sports. The project will base on the data from MLB to define a player's performance and give some advice to coach and team managers to help them improve the team's performance. Additionally, the paper will be discussed from a statistic way to analyze the performance of player and mainly focus on the home run. Here is background information about MLB. So in United States and Canada, Professional Major League Baseball is short for MLB. Teams are divided into National League (NL) and American League (AL), each with 3 divisions: East, West, and Central. In this project, as I mentioned before, it will be mainly focused on the data from American League (AL) to analyze the baseball players' performance. Here is a list of method and model. First of all, in my project, I will going to give you a summary descriptive statistics for the population. This is to give an overview of American League's team performance. And then there will be a correlation analysis, include a correlation matrix to determine the strength of the relationship between home runs, hits, at-bat, and runs. And after the correlation analysis, there will be a simple linear regression analysis to determine the significance of relationship between home runs and runs. After the simple linear regression, there will be a multiple linear regression analysis to determine the significance of the relationships between home runs, hits, and at-bat. Since the model is not as good as expected, so at last there will be a multiple linear regression, include quadratic analysis with RBI, which is run in battle, and runs and hits. After the quadratic analysis, the final equation to define the home run can be shown as below. And as you can see, the R square of the equation is very high, which is equal to 0.83779. That can tell us we have enough confidence to say that the equation has strongly relationship to the variables. And compare the p-values of the variables, that we can see that RBI has the lowest p-values. So we can see that the RBI is the most important variable in this equation. And simply say, to get more home runs, you will have to get more RBI first. Out of the analysis, all above may be used in a certain game situation. For example, the coach can use the equation to help to determine which team's players have better performance in batting. Based on the analysis and compared to all variables that I used in this project, the RBI is the most important variable, and that can influence a baseball player's batting performance in home run the most. give some recommendation to the coach and the baseball managers. RBI is a variable that most important to cause a home run. Therefore, the coach and the manager of a baseball team may want to find a way to improve their training to help their team to get better performance. How to improve the RBI for a player is very important to them. As I mentioned before, home run is the most efficient way to help a team to win a game. And home run can not only benefit for the team, it can also benefit the audience, because it can give the great spiritual enjoyment to the audience. And once the audience gets satisfied, the baseball game will get more attention, so that the returns of the team may be increased. This is XIA DAI. Thank you for watching.